Back pain is one of the most common reasons people struggle to get through the day, especially in a fast-paced city like New York. Sitting too long, poor posture, stress, and repetitive movement can all lead to chronic discomfort. At Body Mechanics Orthopedic Massage on 54th, we specialize in back pain massage in New York City, designed to address the root cause, not just the symptoms. Our orthopedic massage techniques focus on muscle imbalances, restricted movement, and soft tissue dysfunction that contribute to ongoing pain. Each session is customized, combining therapeutic pressure, targeted techniques, and clinical knowledge to help restore mobility, reduce tension, and improve how your body moves. If back pain is limiting your work, sleep, or quality of life, there's a better solution. Experience professional, results-driven back pain massage in New York City at Body Mechanics Orthopedic Massage on 54th. Visit our website and take the first step toward lasting relief.